Hey guys, guess what? I finally got a new camera. I've been eyeing this camera since July for the whole entire month. Pabalik-balik ako sa store until they officially released it here in Korea last week, the first week of August. Laging out of stock though, then 3 days ago, I finally got my hands on it and take it home with me. Sabi ng ibang YouTubers, it's the best vlogging camera for 2018. I really do hope tama sila. So, I'll show you. So, ito na siya! Yay! So, without further ado, let's get straight to unboxing it together. I'm super excited! So, eto na siya guys. Ang pinakauna kong vlogging camera. Pinaka-latest ng Canon, ang G7X, the Mark III version. FYI lang guys, bago tayo mag-start, so dito ko sa Korea nabili tong camera ko kasi dito ako nakatira. I-mention ko na din kung magkano ko siya nabili. So dito sa Korea, nabili ko siya for 865,000 Korean won. So in pesos, if i-convert natin, siguro mga nasa around 38,500 to 39,000. So, ito yung harapan ng box na may image display ng camera. Papatungan siya nitong blue na sticker na to, pero in a very good reason, guys. Kasi, nakalagay dito in Hangul, 1+1 yung battery na ibibigay sa atin ni Canon Korea. So, yay! Hindi ko na kailangang bumili ng isa pang battery, ng spare battery. At, ang pinakamagandang part doon ay original na Canon battery siya. And on this left corner, andito yung logo ni Canon. Kaya lang natatakpan siya ng sticker ng store na pinagbilhan ko nito. Meron tayong gold seal from Canon Korea. Ibig sabihin yan, original yung product na nabili natin. Tapos, makikita nyo din here. Yan, so ilalapit ko siya. Nakalagay dito, please see the side of the box for color enclosed. So, hindi ibig sabihin na kung ano ang color display dito sa box, ayun ang mismong color ng product sa loob. Actually, guys, gusto ko sana yung silver kasi meron silang two colors, yun nga, black at saka silver. Dalawa lang naman. Pero gusto ko yung silver kasi parang may pagka-retro vibe siya. Pero black lang yung available in store. So, wala tayong choice. Since mabilis ma-out of stock yung product itself, kinuha ko na to agad. So, paano nyo ba malalaman kung ano yung color nung nasa loob? So, andito siya. Yan. So, pag-flip natin yan, eto siya. Ito nyo ba? Yan, black. So, pag silver yan, silver yung nasa loob. Yung kabilang gilid. Tapos, ito naman yung mga features niya. Yan, ito. 20.1 megapixels. Yan siya, ang lens. Tapos, may 3-inch touchscreen siya. It's 4K na din. Tapos, yan, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth ready na din siya. Let's start unboxing this baby and see what we've got. Okay? So, okay, so hindi natin siya. Kailangan natin kasi ready ako. So, open na natin siya. Ito na, guys! Yan. So, first thing, we've got the manuals. Registration card. Mga limited warranty siguro. And yung starter guide or instruction manual. But it's all in Korean, so I need a little bit of help. Yan. Hindi din siya ganun kakapal. Siguro pag English to makapal. Tabi na muna natin to. Yan. Tapos, oh! They even have a memory card. They gave us a memory card, you guys. Look. 16 gigabyte of memory card. So, nakalagay dyan, memory card is not included. So, dapat meron lang tayong yung camera itself, yung strap, yung battery charger, and battery pack. But we have the memory card. So, meaning, freebie din to, right? Wow! I'm so happy. Next. This is what looks like the wall charger or the battery charger. Yep. It is the battery charger. So, yan. Ito yung itsura ng ating battery charger. Nakalagay kung nag-charge pa siya or full na ba. That's only for Canon battery. Kita niyo pa guys. Yan. Only for Canon battery. So, sa likod, yan, battery charger, model niya. Hey guys, made in the Philippines. So, I think hindi ito yung parang flip out na power cones. So, ito. So, I think we will be needing this. So, ito yung cable. Okay. So, tabi na natin muna siya. Then what else? Okay. Next thing is yung battery. So, yan na siya. Itsura ng battery niya. So, yan siya. Itsura ng battery. So, sabi nila, diba, dalawa daw. So, ito yung first. Tapos yung second. Yep. Yay! So, dalawa talaga siya. At I think ang laki nang na-save ko. So, yun. Kasi parang balita ko mahal daw yung original na battery ni Canon. So, tapos ito naman ang ating handheld strap or wrist strap. So, yun. Kada din siya. Mukha siyang matibay. So, the next stuff we have is the camera itself. Ito na siya, guys. Ito na talaga. Ano siya? Okay, hindi ko pa siya ma-open kasi kailangan ko ng battery. But, maybe, baka naman meron tong charge. So, let's see. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oops. Oh. Okay. There you go. This way. So, yan siya. Ayan. Tapos, ito itsura niya. So, yan, no carding camera. Ito yung controls niya, on and off button. Yan, Wi-Fi. Ito, tapos itong parang so, yan. Ganun siya, mag-fillet na. Ito yung flip niya. Ayan yung flip. Tapos, mas matibay na din daw to. So, pwede ka ng ganyan. Ito kakukuha. So, I'd like to mention also, meron siyang mic input dito. Yan. Yan siya. Pwede kang mag-live streaming on YouTube directly using this camera. So, that's a good feature too, right? Nakalimutan ko palang pakita din to sa inyo. Yan. Meron pa silang case. Camera case. So, freebie din to. Let's open it. So, dito ilalagay yung dito ilalagay yung battery. For sure. Dito yung camera. Yan. Try nga natin. Oh, nice. Kasang kasya siya. So, like, meron tayong isang freebie na battery, memory card, tas casing. So, madami din tayong freebies, I think. So, okay na ako dun. Ayan na yan, guys. So, ayan na lahat. Na-unbox na natin siya. I'm so happy. Sobrang happy. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to. I hope ito na yung start ng aking YouTube journey. Samahan niyo ako. And, tingin ko dito ko natatapusin itong video ko na to. So, if you like this video, guys, please give this a thumbs up or let me know what you think in the comment section below. Don't forget also to subscribe to my channel for more content like this or any videos maybe about anything about my life here in South Korea. So, see you in my next vlog. Bye!